All right, everyone, good morning. It's another Monday morning at Marathon Coach. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It's my pleasure every Monday morning to bring you this show, and this morning I got something that we teased for you last week. Right before the weekend, we teased that we were going to show you this. This is Coach 985 or 0985, 2006 XLV double slide. This is for sale. This is a great value. $469,000 is the retail price on this guy. Very low miles at 89,000. We're going to take a look at this. Somebody email us, call us. If you have a salesman that you're already working with, get a hold of them, because 985 is not going to last long. Look how pretty that exterior is. I'm going to get out of your way real quick. Todd's getting a good shot. I got Todd and Mickey with me this morning. It's kind of a brisk, a little bit colder morning here in Coburg, but still nice. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I know I did. So that's the exterior of 985. Just a really good shot of really classy colors. Let's go check out the inside, Todd. Let us know where you're watching from, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to hit us up. And if not, you know my email, malw@marathoncoach.com. All right, let's head on in. All right, here we are. Give you a good shot of me with the coach in the background while Todd jumps in here and shuts the door. Being right along Interstate 5 here in Oregon, there's a little bit of noise, but when you get in here and you shut the door, it's really nice. Todd, I'm going to switch spots with you so we can show off this cockpit. Really love the style in here. It's got this light brown leather wrap all throughout the cockpit, and then this light wood tone on the cockpit panels. And if I jump in here, I know we got 89,000 miles on this guy. I also dropped the TV down so you could see the Samsung. I believe that's an upgraded TV from 2006. Copilot also has a monitor here for helping with the navigation. Very nice. So while we're standing here, everybody, I'm going to put this TV up so we can get some more natural light in the coach. Speaking of natural light, one of the coolest things to do is take a look down here, Todd. If you've got a fireplace in your coach, just like this one, you can turn all the lights out and just have the ambiance set of having a fireplace. And because it was a little cold this morning, we actually turned the heat on. So it's actually putting out some nice heat. Speaking of nice heat, yeah, it's a sofa, a sleeper sofa, jackknifes down, so that you can either use it as a sofa, or you can have it for someone as a guest or grandkids or what have you. I also like what was done here. These are really large. We don't usually do these, but these are really large arms of the sofa. Kind of makes a nice, I mean, it shows that it's not just a regular sofa. It is literally installed in the coach. It's great. Of course, lots of natural light, and one of the things that's really unique about 985, get a look at this dinette. We've had people over time email me, email Mickey, hey, you know, do you guys do a bar style where you're looking out the windows? Absolutely. So this dinette is so that you can swivel and turn and talk to people, or you can sit here and eat while you're looking outside your coach on the driver's side. And another really pretty thing, Todd, take a look at this. I'm not going to move the decor, but take a look at this inlay on this Corian. Really good style in this coach, good colors, and this coach has been well taken care of. So this seems to open up a lot of room here. Some people love this style, some people don't like it, but for those of you who really like the idea of being able to look out, or you can pivot to socialize with people that are in your salon while you're eating, There it is right there, a bar style dinette. Here we are, if you want to get a good shot here, Todd, you also have the recliner and a good sized table. Everybody say hi to Mickey, she's up here watching us. Let's look at the galley. So Sub-Zero refrigerator in this coach. Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer down here. Advantium 120 convection microwave oven, and of course a dish drawer dishwasher right here. Storage down here, storage up here. Very large sink, and it's actually a split sink. So you've got one side here and then a smaller side here. And also up with the faucet, you've got instant hot water that's filtrated. Is that even a word, filtrated? I don't know. I may have just made that word up. Mickey, is that a good word?
That's a great word.
That's a great word, okay. Also, your range top right there. So it's got everything that you need in your galley. Your kitchen is all set up and ready to go. And one of the things that can't be missed in a kitchen is storage. And this coach has it. 985 has a really nice pantry that slides out for ease of loading, for ease of getting things out. It's a great rack system. You just put it in, push the pin up, it's locked in, it's not going to go anywhere. Isn't that nice? Good storage in this coach. That's another thing that a lot of people, that I hear from a lot of customers and clients. We need more storage, we want storage. That's the thing about this, it has storage throughout. Also, speaking of storage, take a look down here, Todd. Underneath, you've got storage right underneath there. So in a spot where you wouldn't think you have it, you've got storage kept right out of place. So take a look at this floor, really nice floor. This tile is from '06 and it has just held up beautifully. It's got good colors also, so it's not going to go out of date. That's another thing you're going to see throughout this coach is the coloring is not going to be dated. So let's move in. Here's the water closet. And then on the opposite side of that water closet, you're going to see the shower. And it is a good sized shower. I'll step in so you can see it. Lots of room in here, and one thing that I've heard from customers is that there always needs to be something either for you to put a leg up or to sit down, and this one has it. I like the way my voice sounds in the shower. Okay, speaking of storage again, sticking with that theme, take a look at this walk-in closet, everybody. You got drawers down here. You got a lot of hanging bar space above. If you want to take a step back, I'll close this door. And you can see that it can be behind a door or it can be open, which is really nice. Lots of storage. And one thing you're not giving up in this coach is the washer dryer. I'm going to let you jump on this side, Todd. Take a look. Ascos, stacking Ascos, washer dryer. So you're not giving up any space when you've got this washer dryer. In this floor plan, you also have the walk-in closet with that. Side sink right before you go into the bedroom of Coach 985. And then into the bedroom, you've got an RV queen size bed and a little bit of storage down here, storage on both sides. But if I open the closet door, a lot more closet space. You got 3 drawers here, an audio visual bank right up top. And then if you look up here, you've got a bar for storage that goes it L's all the way across. So in this coach, this floor plan is set up very nicely so that You can have everything that you need. And for those of you who that Galley really appeals to, that dinette really appeals to a lot of people. TVs are really nice in this coach. And this is a really good value at $469,000. 89,000 miles on a 2006 Marathon. So that's pretty much it. I really wanted to show you this coach because I know it's not going to stay around very long. We just took it in. So if you're working currently with a marathon salesman, seek them out. If not, you know how to get a hold of me, malw@marathoncoach.com. I'll give you more details about it. So feel free to contact me. I want to let you know we'll be live next week down in Indio. So look for me and Pete Sutton down there. We'll bring you a special show from down there. Other than that, I hope everyone has a good week. Marathon Mondays is a fun thing, and it gives us the opportunity to bring you a version of Marathon every Monday so that you can see what's going on, what's new. So speaking of what's new, Coach 985 is new and for sale. So yeah, let's hear from you about it. Be yourself and do good things. Have a good week, and I'll see you next Monday. I'm gonna go have some coffee. Take care, everybody.